Hello guys, in this video I will try just to explain these two kinds of penny stocks that maybe you have seen them but you don't know the difference. Okay, now the first one, it's a penny stock that changed the volume suddenly and it becomes so volatile. Okay, let's say an example, a stock was $1, the volume was 50,000 shares traded a day. Now what does it mean 50,000? It means if it is $1, the whole money in the stock is only $50,000, and it's little, okay, compared to millions of shares traded a day and big stocks. Okay, now why is this sudden change in the volume? The stock was doing nothing. Sometimes it has 5,000 volume, sometimes 20, sometimes 50. It's always a small volume. What does it mean? It means this stock, no one knows about it. No one is trading this stock. And these stocks are the target of pump and dump schemes and promoters. Okay, so I will give you an information. Those people try to attract beginners because they don't know, and they ask them to buy this stock on a day, and always they give them one stock that it is unknown. Sometimes it is a new stock that it is in the stock market, it just get listed, it's just new. Okay, and they ask them, okay, on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or wherever is day, just in the morning at 9:30 buy. Okay, so this stock, the volume was so low. As I said, 50,000 or 100,000 or 200,000, this is a low volume because the stock is so small. It is only $1. And in the morning, a lot of beginners, they come to buy because of this newsletter, or because the emails, or because of text messages, or because whatever is this. Okay, so the promoters and the scammers, I say scammers, professional traders who their aim is to make money from these beginners, what they do, they just buy before, little by little. They don't buy that much, because if they buy too much, there will be a spike in the stock. So they buy each day because they plan something, and then one day they ask all their subscribers, I don't know how many subscribers they have. Could be 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, I don't know how many, because there are some scammers, some professional traders, they have too many guys following them. So in the next morning, this stock was 50,000 volume, it changes to 10 million, 50 million shares traded a day. You ask yourself, how come these people, they know this stock on that day? And just the day before, no one knows about this stock. It's not just because of volume that in the morning it goes up. No, it's just because these are pump and dump scheme. It means they pump the stock, they ask people, and when the stock goes so high, let's say from $1, it goes to $2, $3, $5, $10, no one knows where it goes. Those scammers and those promoters, they will sell all the shares when it is the high. Don't tell me how they know, because it is their business. It is their business to scam other people, so they know it very much. They will sell, and as soon they begin to sell, the stock will go down. It goes to $10, and maybe at the end of the day, it will go to $1 again. Okay? Now who loses? Almost all the beginners who bought, most of them. Yes, some of them, few of them, they will make money, because maybe someone from $1, $2, he sees some money, he sell. Okay, he gets scared, he sells, so he make little money. But most of the people, they stay until the end of the day or many days, and they see that all their money they make, they got lost. Okay? So this is one kind, which is called a volatile penny stock. The root of this, why do you have this in the market? It's just because there are promoters and scammers. They do these scams always. That's why a stock, you see it go up from $1 to $5 to $10. After a few days, it goes to $1 and then it goes to 10 cents and then they forgot about it. That's why if you go to most of the penny stocks, you will find them doing the same, which is going down. Although sometimes they go up, like in this pump and dump scheme. As I told you, pump and dump schemes are done by scammers. And there are some who are called promoters. Promoters are just people who get paid from the company itself. Okay? Just let me drink some coffee, please. Sorry for taking some time to drink coffee. Who are these promoters? They are normal people online, and they try to tell you that this company is good because of the fundamentals. Now these companies are tiny companies. They don't even, some they don't exist. And they tell you, okay, this company is mining gold. Gold is very, very important. It is used everywhere. And the company is having $10 million like cash flow, and it has discovered another mine. So the company is very happy and it will become bigger and bigger and bigger. This is what I tell you. Now these people are paid by the company itself. And they put it in their newsletter. If you go to their newsletter, you will find at the end that they are paid from this company. So understand that penny stocks, most of them, they are not for investment for the long run. They are not. You go and check almost all penny stocks, they are going down. Almost all of them. You check them. Why? Because these companies are small. They don't make that much money. They have a lot of competition. And maybe they, for example, a gold mine, they work for 5 years, 10 years, and then this mine, there is no gold. So they stop. So when they stop, this company go bankrupt because it's very small and they don't have other places where to search for gold. Just an example, okay? Investing in penny stocks is not a good idea, I'm telling you, and if you try it, you will lose all your money if you stay a long time. Now this is the first type that I'm speaking about, which is volatile stocks, and the root of this movement or actions of the price is based on the promoters and scammers. You will never know when these stocks go up. It's just they pop out in one day or a few days and then they go down. That's it. Okay? Now, there is a second stock that I am speaking about and that I am teaching for people. What is it? There are some stocks that are not promoted and they are not pump and dump scheme, so you will see that they go slowly with low volume, let's say 100 or 200 or 500,000 each day. You can find it 50 cents or $1 or $2 or $3 or $5. It doesn't matter. But these stocks, they move slowly and they are moving up into a trend. This is what I am looking for, and this is what I am teaching people to look for. This, and for almost all the people who take my training, which is how to trade penny stocks, which is training level 10, this is where you can find this kind of stocks. When you do search daily, you will find some stocks like these. If you don't have money, you have only 1,000, 2,000 or 500 or 3,000, it's better to use this kind of stocks. And if you succeed in one, you can double your money or you triple your money in this kind of stocks. But understand that these stocks are risky. That's why if you like risk, you do penny stocks. If you don't like risk, you should avoid going to this kind of stocks. Although these stocks that I'm talking about are better because they are not so volatile. What does it mean they are not so volatile? It means if the stock, for example, is moving each day, let's say the stock is $1. Next day is $1.10. It's good, it's 10%. Then the other day is $1.13, and then $1.20, $1.25, like this. It means it's going slowly by slowly. You stay 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and then the stock, which is $1, you find it $3, you find it $4, $5, $6, $7. And then you follow it with the stop loss. Whenever it becomes volatile, it means the people they discover, it means day traders, they discover this kind of stocks, it becomes volatile, so you exit with a very good profit. And this is what I am teaching for swing traders to do in these penny stocks. So it's up to you. It means when you want to do penny stocks, either you follow the volatile stocks that we speak about in the first, which is they are very volatile. At first they do nothing. There are some stocks that some days you find zero volume, and then when there is this promoters, there is this pump and dump scheme, they go from zero, they go to millions in the next day. Okay, so you say to yourself, oh, I hope I will be in that stock when it is like the volume is so low, and then it becomes volatile and it can go up so good and you can make a lot of money. Yes, you can make money, but it is so risky, because instead of sometimes of going up, they can go down and you lose a lot of money. So for me, I'm teaching the second type of penny stocks, which are not having a lot of volume. They move slowly, and they will form a big trends. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It means you will stay with this. You don't need anything. You put 2,000 or 3,000. After 1 month or two, you find it 6,000, 7,000 or more. This is the best thing that you can do. It's just you have to acquire the skill in order to select the best, because in our search we find daily stocks like this, but it's matter of you do it once, twice, thrice, until you get used to searching and to selecting the best stocks, because in each day you find, maybe you find 2, you find 5, you find 10, but you should choose the best according to my criteria, which I expose in training level 10. For all of you guys who are interested in penny stocks, like how to trade them with these two kinds of stocks, you can take my training, and the discount, the Christmas discount is so huge. It's 80% for the ebooks, and it will help you just have another way to look at stocks. Because I know that most of you, they are searching and they don't know how to search, and this is a problem. But for me, it is so easy to search, because when you do the criteria, you take the stock screener, you put it, it gets you the stocks, you put them in the chart, and then you begin to search which one is the best. And you don't need to look at stocks that are $10, $20, $30, because in the stock screener you can search stocks under $5, which are the penny stocks. You can raise the bar, like you can put under $10, for example, and you find all the small stocks. These stocks, if they move good. It means if you buy a stock that it is $100, in order to go to $200 is a lot. But the stock that it is $1, if it goes to $2, it can go in $2 in 1 day, $3, $5, $6, $7. You don't know. So the probability of making money from these stocks is so high. But understand that you need to learn, you need to practice until you grasp the idea or the ideas, or you grasp the trading skills in order to select the best out of the best. This is not done in theory. You should practice. Okay? You should practice and practice and practice until you succeed. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please comment here. Send me a private message if you have any questions about penny stocks or the training or whatever. I have it in videos and I have it in the PDF file. It's the same. So if you want cheaper, you could just go with the PDF, and you just from tomorrow, which is Monday, you can begin searching for stocks. So it's you don't need to stay 1 month studying this training. This training is concise, it's simple, it is small, and then you begin. For stop loss, and I give some information about this, so don't worry about this too much. And you just begin to search for good stocks, and we are heading to 2017, if God wills, if we're still alive. So you begin fresh, okay? Fresh with a new way to search, with a new way to find stocks, and forget about the past. Whatever, either you have made money or you lost money, it doesn't matter right now. This is the past. We are not speaking about the past. I'm speaking about the future. And always look for the future to change your situation, change your trading skills, and acquire good skills in order to make money. This is what it is important right now, is to change your mindset, change the search, change the way you look at stocks, change everything. And don't mix things. And this is why my training is so simple and easy to explain everything you need. Now, if you have questions, here is my my email on the description, on the top of the description, and my website. Just send me an email and ask whatever question that you have, because I'm always here and I always answer questions. If you are confused about something or you don't understand something, you just send me an email and I will respond back in due time, and I will explain everything you need. And thank you very much, and have a nice weekend, and hope the new week will be a new week for you. And thank you very much.